So hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So we have created another playlist which is called CAPT, Certified Associate Penetration Tester. So first of all, let's discuss what is CAPT. CAPT is a course that we have designed. Is for beginners in cybersecurity, freshers who wants to start their career in cybersecurity. So we have created this CAPT CAPT playlist course for them. So CAPT enables you to learn penetration testing techniques through real world scenarios. If you don't understand what is penetration testing, so don't worry, we will be discussing about that in upcoming videos. So skills you will be learning in this playlist, in this course, will be Linux fundamentals, web fundamentals, network security, security tools we are using to secure our network or systems, cryptography fundamentals, Windows fundamentals, ethical hacking. What is ethical hacking? Web security, vulnerability analysis, OSINT techniques, which is used to extract information about any individual or organization. Network fundamentals, penetration testing. We will be also discussing privilege escalation. So privilege escalation is used to escalate our privilege or level up our privilege from a normal user or a guest to an admin to as an admin user, and system auditing and social engineering. So prereq of this course, that no prior cybersecurity is required, experience is required for this playlist or this course that we have created. So any fresher can start this playlist and they can learn cybersecurity, penetration testing. So you should for this course you should only know basic computer literacy and familiarity with operating systems, like what is Windows, what is Linux, what is Mac, the difference between them. If you don't know this also, so don't worry, we will be discussing Windows, Linux and Mac in detail in upcoming videos. A strong desire of learning, research and practice. You should also have a strong desire of learning cybersecurity, that how things work, and you should also have interest in research to find vulnerabilities, new vulnerabilities that are not patched yet. And practice, you should do practice. And you should be also committed to ethical hacking principles. So these principles are very important, so for you to avoid legal issues. So at last, subscribe and hit the bell. Every videos that we will be discussing or we have uploaded on this channel is only for educational purpose, so don't use it in wrong ways. Instead, use it to secure your network or yourself from external attacks. Bye, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.